This iPhone case turns into Game Boy retro gaming on the go. Bitmo Lab introduced the Game Baby, a case that's flawless for playing retro games on an iPhone. The Game Baby is an innovative two-part accessory that integrates a D-pad and buttons to the iPhone for gaming. Moreover, it works as a protective case for day-to-day use. The lower part of the case can be separated from the upper part and placed on the front of the iPhone, offering a physical interface perfect for retro games that have been available to iOS through emulators such as Delta. When you're not gaming, it pops off and can be attached to the back of the phone for protection with added gaming functionality. While the case does not have power and it's unable to connect to the iPhone in any way, which indicates that they are capacitive and developed to activate on-screen buttons. According to Bitmo Lab, the case is compatible with Game Boy, Game Boy Color, Game Boy Advanced, and NES button layouts with custom emulator skins that provide perfect compatibility across different handheld console layouts. The Game Baby's been developed to work with the layouts made available through the Delta emulator. It's set to be available for the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the iPhone 16 Pro Max soon. The Game Baby can be pre-ordered for $20 for the first 1,000 units, with the pre-order price going up to $25 after that. It's claimed to start shipping in October.